How to use Google Fit app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Google Fit application. So as you can see, I don't have the option of update available. So it means that I have the latest version of the application. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Google Fit. So as you can see, I've already logged in. Right now, what you can see is your the kilometers that you've walked, the minutes that you have moved, right? So next, what you can do is you can set your daily goals from heart points to how many steps you would want to walk by tapping on the steps, and you can do on for per day, per week, or per month. You can set your goals for yourself. You can also set your weekly target over here as a tap on this one, and here you can select what is the points on your everyday, on your week, and your month basis. Next, you can see the energy expended over the last 7 days, and you can discover how you can remain healthy and stay healthy over here. You can slip and fit as well. You can set a pace for your walk, and you can just try on paced walking and so on. Then go back and you'll be able to just track your steps, your health, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.